What's going on, fellow YouTubers, all things tech here. I just want to share with you today how I utilize my American Express Saks Fifth Avenue $50 credit. You get $50 credit twice a year, so it's semi-annual. Pretty much anything $50 to give you a credit on your next billing statement. And I stacked that with a promotion that Saks Fifth had going on these pairs of shoes. These are usually $200. With the sale, it was 50% off. And so that brought it down to $100. There was a $30 off coupon. I applied it, knocked it down to $70, and tax was $5. That's $75. There was a shipping fee of $10, but I used ShopRunner, got 2 days free shipping, so that wiped that out. So my net out the door was about $75 before the $50 credit from Amex. So net, I paid $25 for these. I am excited to try them out, but too bad, can't really go out anywhere these days. But when the time comes, I will surely enjoy these properly. But thanks for watching All Things Tech here. Hit subscribe if you enjoy this video. I'm just going to literally keep releasing content, everything and all things tech.